Hello again YouTube from the boating cave. Finally the transom job is nearly finished. Only thing left now is for wait to this to cure, cut off the excess and then start thinking about the engine well and putting the rear cover on. Rear deck or whatever it's called in non-European standard. But yeah, there's now some 12 kilograms of resin and the equivalent amount of glass fiber in the stringers, in the transom, on top of the transom. There's bias ply rowing. It's 600 grams per square meter, and then there's 450 grams per square mesh mat, the cut strand type, and then there's the 190 grams mix of glass and carbon fiber mat, just because it leaves a nicer surface finish. It's very easy to bend around corners and it makes the laminate look nice. That's just about the only reason I use it. And it's kind of strand management, because the mesh, the cut strand mat leaves strands poking here and there and you have to sand them, but when going over with the carbon fiber, glass fiber mix, you get a nice surface finish and there's no loose strands. Maybe a couple of here and there, the carbon fiber tends to stick out, but you can cut that off with a knife and it's way less than the cut strand mat. And besides, everybody loves carbon, right? It's not the most prettiest job, but there's enough wood and carbon and glass fiber in there, so it'll hold the 300 kilogram Verado engine that's going to be mounted outside. So yeah, need to make some reinforcements to the rear deck because some other previous owner has cut the reinforcements to make a big engine hatch for the stupid V8 or V6, whatever. I think it was meant to be V8, but they changed it to V6. Maybe the price was right. But yeah, it was loud, obnoxious, and it didn't go much. 175 horse, that's nothing. Now it's almost twice as that and 100 kilos less weight. Okay, the rigging brings some weight, but 330 kilos or something compared to the 410 it was with the inboard and Alpha 2 or Alpha 1, I don't know. Something not interesting to me. But yeah, stringers are back in the boat like the originals. The middle ones slightly taller and wider, and it should be bulletproof. I'm happy. Now we have this mess to clean up and start thinking about everything else. But the boat in all, now that the transom is okay, it feels sturdier. The deck is cut from here, but it was very flimsy when I cut the deck. But yeah. Anyways, if you have any questions, comments, saying I'm ridiculous, go ahead. I don't mind. I'm crazy, I know that. Everybody knows that I'm crazy who know me. But yeah, you all stay safe and have a nice Easter or whatever you're celebrating, and have a nice day. Bye.